Hi guys, Shelly here with the Gray Wren Nest. Today I'm going to show you how to import your mighty hoops, your perimeters, into your SmartStitch. If you're anything like me, you either need to take a lot of pictures, videos, or record something so that you can look back on it in the future. And that's exactly what I'm doing today. So I figure if it can help me, it can help you. So in your training videos with your SmartStitch, I have a 100110 needle. One of my last videos that I had to watch was to update my system. And when that update came up, I noticed that there was perimeters for mighty hoops. Well, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you how to import them. So I took my thumb drive and I watched the video that was attached to the update, and it took me to their official website. Now, I could not find this link on their official website without going through my training videos. So if that's stumping you, that's what I did. I went through the very last training video and went to their website, and it took me right directly to that page. And during the upload, I had a code. Now this code is the same for all SmartStitch 1001s. I won't share it on this video, but you can always send me a text. But if you're doing your update, you're going to come across the code. Write it down because you will use it more than you realize. So I have the code here, and I am going to go ahead and go into, on my main screen here, into my frames, select frame, and now I want to import. And it comes up here to the password. And I'm going to put it in. Okay. Then it says frames. So I'm going to pick frames. And confirm import perimeters. This action will override existing perimeters. I'm going to say yes. And let's see if it brought it up. I hope it did. Look, it was that easy. I have my mighty hoops in there now. Look at all those mighty hoops. That's the beauty of purchasing mighty hoops instead of the off-brand, because the off-brands, they do not match these perimeters. They're smaller. And I can't say and speak to the quality, but I do know that Mighty Hoop has the copyright on these wonderful magnetic hoops. Love them. And SmartStitch partnered with Mighty Hoop. I have a free shipping code that I will attach to this video. So if you would like some free shipping and you decide to go with Mighty Hoop, Hoopmaster Station, you can't go wrong, I promise. Just like you saw here, it was that easy. Okay, so I'm going to click OK. Oh, I guess I have to select what I want now. But I'm just going to go out because I'm not ready to select. But now all my mighty hoops are in there. Yay! Hope I helped you. Bye now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informational videos in the future. Bye now.